Arizona, a land of stark beauty and dramatic landscapes, holds some of the most incredible natural wonders on Earth. From towering red rock formations to deep canyons carved by ancient rivers, the state is a testament to the power of nature's artistry. Among these wonders, three stand out for their unique beauty and scientific significance: the Painted Desert, Meteor Crater, and the Petrified Forest. These natural treasures offer a glimpse into the distant past, revealing the forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. The Painted Desert is a visual masterpiece, a vast expanse of colorful badlands that stretch for over 160 miles across northeastern Arizona. The desert's name derives from the vibrant hues of its sedimentary layers, which range from deep reds and oranges to yellows, grays, and lavenders. These colors are not painted on the surface, but are inherent in the rock itself, a result of the different mineral content and the oxidation states of iron present in the sediment. The layers of the Painted Desert are a geological timeline, each stratum representing a specific period in Earth's history. The oldest layers, dating back to the Triassic period over 200 million years ago, were laid down when the area was a vast inland sea. Over time, the sea receded, leaving behind layers of mud, silt, and volcanic ash. As the climate changed and the land uplifted, erosion sculpted these layers into the mesas, buttes, and canyons that characterize the Painted Desert today. In the arid plains of northern Arizona lies a testament to the awesome power of cosmic impacts. Meteor Crater, also known as Barringer Crater, is a perfectly preserved impact crater, a colossal bowl-shaped depression nearly a mile wide and over 550 feet deep. This immense crater is a relatively recent addition to the Earth's landscape, formed around 50,000 years ago when an iron-nickel meteorite, estimated to have been about 150 feet across, slammed into the Earth at a speed of over 26,000 miles per hour. The impact released an unimaginable amount of energy, equivalent to millions of tons of TNT, instantly vaporizing the meteorite and excavating a massive crater in the surrounding rock. The shock waves from the impact radiated outward, flattening forests, triggering earthquakes, and scattering debris for miles around. Today, the crater stands as a stark reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system and the potential hazards posed by objects from space. The crater was named after Daniel Barringer, a mining engineer who was the first to seriously investigate its origins in the early 20th century. Barringer was convinced that the crater was the result of a meteorite impact, a theory that was controversial at the time. He spent years studying the crater, drilling into its depths in search of the meteorite itself, which he believed was buried beneath the crater floor. While Barringer never found the main body of the meteorite, his tireless efforts and meticulous research helped to solidify the impact theory. Today, Meteor Crater is recognized as one of the best preserved impact craters on Earth, a natural laboratory for studying the effects of hypervelocity, impact, and the processes that shape planetary surfaces. Section 5, The Petrified Forest, A Glimpse into the Past. The Petrified Forest National Park, located in northeastern Arizona, is home to one of the largest and most colorful concentrations of petrified wood in the world. Scattered across the desert floor are the fossilized remains of ancient trees, some over 200 million years old, transformed into stone by a remarkable process of natural preservation. During the late Triassic period, the area that is now the Petrified Forest was a lush, tropical environment, home to giant coniferous trees that grew to heights of over 200 feet. When these trees died, they were often washed downstream by rivers and buried in sediment rich in volcanic ash. Section 6. The Science of Petrification from Wood to Stone. The process of petrification began when the buried wood was deprived of oxygen, slowing down the natural process of decay. Over time, groundwater, rich in dissolved minerals from the volcanic ash, seeped through the sediment and into the wood. As the water evaporated, it left behind minerals like silica, quartz, and agate, which filled the wood's cellular structure, preserving its shape in exquisite detail. Over millions of years, the wood was completely replaced by minerals, transforming it into solid rock. The different minerals present in the groundwater gave the petrified wood its distinctive colors. Iron oxides produced shades of red, orange, and yellow, while manganese created hues of pink and purple. The presence of other trace elements contributed to the vast spectrum of colors found in the park. Section 7. Exploring the Parks, a Journey Through Time. Exploring the Painted Desert, Meteor Crater, and the Petrified Forest is like taking a journey through time. These natural wonders offer a glimpse into the distant past, revealing the forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Visitors can hike through the colorful badlands of the Painted Desert, marvel at the immense scale of Meteor Crater, and wander among the petrified giants of the Petrified Forest. These parks are not only places of natural beauty, but also important sites for scientific research and education. Geologists, paleontologists, and astronomers come from around the world to study these unique formations, unraveling the mysteries of Earth's history and the processes that continue to shape our planet today. Section 8. Conservation, protecting our natural heritage. Protecting these natural wonders for future generations is paramount. Erosion, vandalism, and the impacts of climate change pose ongoing threats to these fragile ecosystems. The parks have implemented measures to mitigate these threats, including visitor education programs, trail maintenance, and research initiatives to monitor and understand the impacts of human activity and environmental change. By supporting conservation efforts, respecting park regulations, and practicing leave no trace principles, visitors can help ensure that these natural treasures continue to inspire and educate generations to come. Section 9. Conclusion. An invitation to wonder. The Painted Desert, Meteor Crater, and the Petrified Forest are more than just tourist destinations. They are testaments to the power of nature, the vastness of time, and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. They remind us that we are part of a much larger story, one that began billions of years ago and continues to unfold today. A visit to these natural wonders is an invitation to wonder, to learn, and to appreciate the incredible beauty and fragility of our planet.